Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Opera browser on PC. Let's begin. First, open your current web browser and go to the official Opera website, opera.com. On the home page, click the Download Opera button. This will start downloading the Opera setup file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Opera setup.exe file. A setup window will appear. Click Install, and the installation will begin. Wait a few moments while Opera installs on your PC. When the process is finished, Opera browser will launch automatically. Now you can start browsing the web with Opera. If you'd like, you can also import your bookmarks, history, and settings from your previous browser to make the switch easier. And that's it! You've successfully installed Opera browser on PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.